Peek-a-boo, the world begins in hiding. A curtain of hands, a giggle behind the hush. A heartbeat wrapped in wonder. Where did the face go? Did it drift behind the moon? Tuck itself inside a pocket of sky? Or fold small as a secret between fingers and thumbs? Peek-a-boo, and suddenly the sun returns, eyes shining like morning, smiles bursting wide as spring, laughter spilling over the edges of surprise. In that tiny vanishing is the oldest magic, the art of leaving just long enough to make coming back a celebration. Peek-a-boo, a lesson wrapped in play, that absence is only a blink, that love is never really gone, that joy waits patiently